All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com. This is going to be chart breakdown number 40, and we're going to be speaking specifically on EU. It has done the pop that we've been looking for, and it has gone up about 100 pips already. Currently, we are in, we're about to get started on day number 2 of our You Are the Indicator course. So if anything, some of the people are here right now, a little early. Say hi, say hi, say hi, say hi. All right. Let's go ahead and just get started on this EU pair real quick. And I think it'll be pretty fun. So here we go. So as of yesterday, we went in depth on EU. Am I right, guys? Yeah. You can have a little feedback.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Okay. And what did we see? What did we see yesterday? Specifically on EU and specifically at this monthly key level. We were looking at specifically this portion, right? How we were like, well, did this really clear? Did this really break this level, this monthly key level? Did this break it? Did this break it? And what did we do?
We went back on.
Yeah, we went to a higher time frame. We went to the day time frame, and we started to see, oh, okay. Well, this is tested. This is tested. This is kind of tested, but definitely when we went to the weekly key level, what did we see? We saw the fact that this is obviously holding this monthly key level is obviously holding this level of support, right? It's definitely holding this level of support where this turned out to be just a wick level support. And yesterday, we actually saw a bearish candle right at that monthly. It was literally right on there. You guys remember? And now it's just a wick with a bullish candle. Within a couple of hours, it made this. Okay? So that's why I felt pretty bullish on this, because I saw the fact that this level of support has been held all the way through for the last couple weeks. So I felt confident enough to be able to just get into an entry on a buy. And since yesterday, so this is how yesterday closed, literally right on that monthly, right? This is how it closed. And today, and the day's not even close to being done, we see a very nice bullish candle that has been strong. And it popped up to about 112 pips, but right now it's sitting at about 100 pips flat, which is really, really cool. And what am I looking for where this may go into the future? Well, what I did was I saw the fact that from point A down here to point B over here, right? So point A, point B, right? What is our usual take profit number one? Negative 27%. And what do we see was hit? Negative 27%. It was hit. It price pushed down, pushed up, and then pushed down again, and then had its push, okay, to that negative 27%. So being the fact that this was the last higher low, it could be the last higher low, or essentially this could be the actual higher low. This is the move, and then that is the retrace at 88.6. Let's look at the daily to see how this looks. Do you see how I did that? Or this is it right here, and this is just based upon a daily's move. Point A, point B, point C, 100% retracement, and then the continuation of the move. That could be it. But no matter what, I'm looking for my take profits to be in these areas. So if I was to go to the H4 time frame, you'll see the fact that this negative 27% lines up with our H4 key level right here, right? Confluence. And then we have our negative 61.8% lines up with this daily key level. Pretty interesting, right? So I know you're probably wondering, like, how did I move my fibs? Because I kind of moved them in different areas, mostly because this. because when I pulled out my fibs from here to here, price pulled down. It had its pullback. It went to this same exact area and then pulled down again, and essentially didn't really break structure, but this was the rest of the move. Does that make sense? This was the completion of the move, this negative 27%. You get what I'm saying? So that's why I'm wondering, do I count this as where I put my point A, or do I keep it as this? This is the new point B, because point C turns into, let me not even like explain it like that, but point A, point B, point C, we see it at 88.6 and then the continuation. No matter what, even if it was here, point A, point B over here, point B, whatever. Well, point B, I don't know why it's not clicking. Okay, whatever. Point B over here and then point C down here. Either way, this negative 27% goes up in this area either way. So this is where my actual target is going to be. It'll probably be messy in between, but this is what I'm shooting for tick profit number 1, this H4 key level, and then tick profit number 2, this daily key level right here. You guys got that? So it was mostly based upon this was a clear level of support, and we do see the fact that we have price pushing up at that point, pushing up at this point, and I wouldn't be surprised that there'll be a small retracement. Small retracement probably to that 38.2. Point A here, point B here, probably to 38.2, and then continuation. Here's the thing. And this is what we're going to go over on day number 3 specifically. How do I know to hold my trade the entire way? Or how do I know to like get out? Well, what we're going to do is, what we're going to go over on day number 3 is from point A to point B, as long as price holds 38.2, let's just say on the 30-minute time frame, as long as price holds that 38.2 area, I'm going to hold my trade. Does that make sense?
Hold it as far as what?
Yeah, as far as price, as far as a candle not closing past this 38.2, I'll hold my trade and then get the continuation of that, and probably even enter in another order at this point right here. Does that make sense? Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it's hard because you are technically losing out on 38% of what profits that you should make. Essentially, like I could be able to get out now. You get what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. But sometimes, like, you can close out on a portion of it and hold, and then enter again at this point and then continue. You know what I'm saying? The point is to be able to get the entire move, because what if it doesn't go to 38.2? What if it just goes to 27%? And then it's continuation and then it goes, and then you miss that. You know what I'm saying? That continuation. And you could have entered in again. So that's what we're going to go over in day number 3. But, you know, you'll have your decisions as time progresses, okay? So that concludes this specific chart breakdown. And what we'll do is we're actually going to go into the next chart breakdown, which is going to be AU. So if you have any questions when it comes to what we spoke about just now, go ahead and leave a comment, and also like this video. And if this can be able to actually help somebody else, go ahead and actually share this video with somebody else as well. And we'll go on from there. So I greatly appreciate your time, and I'll speak to you on the next video. Let's get it.